What's going on? My name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And, you know, I'll tell you what. I have been seeing something very interesting for a while, and this maybe applies to you, right? So let's say that we have electronics retailers, people that sell like computers, gaming systems, maybe they sell used phones, tempered glasses, portable speakers, power banks, all the different little accessories, right? That's you, right? But then we have over here the electronics repair shop. But weird enough, all those things that you sell, you see that all the time being sold at repair shops. But the only thing that you can't sell is the repair. Well, that's not fair. I mean, I'm sure you'd like to, but I will say that I'm very conscious of the facts of why you probably don't add this to your retail establishment. Mostly because it can be a big money sink if you don't find qualified people. And if you can't trust those people to talk to people and do the thing right, then, you know, it could be trouble for you, right? But what I'm here to tell you is that it doesn't have to be that way. I'm going to give you some shortcut stuff here, right? I think that most technicians out on the market right now are basic technicians that change screens and charging ports and batteries. And that's fine, but that's not going to be that's not going to be the big thing forever, right? In fact, it's not even the big thing right now. The big thing right now is actually learning how to do micro soldering and actually work on the motherboard, okay? And there's not a lot of people doing this. It's something that can be added as a service to what you're currently doing. And, you know, the first thing that comes to mind from somebody who's trying to set this up might be, well, that's easy enough for you to say, Justin, but how do I do that? How do I add that in and be sure that this person at least knows the basics? Well, and here's the deal. If you just look internally first into your company and you find somebody who's charismatic and can talk to customers, and maybe they're a decent salesman, saleswoman, whatever, it doesn't matter. These are the people you want to target to be good technicians, people that want to grow in the industry, right? And the reason I say pick these specific people is what I've learned through teaching courses, which you can send these people to, is you can actually teach this to just about anybody from an advanced level if you just don't tell them it's some crazy advanced thing. You just send them through and we teach them the stuff and we act like it's normal, then it's normal for everybody. That's how we raise the baseline. That's how you add repair as a service to your retail establishment. It's really not that big of a deal. Now, I just said it a second ago, but repair isn't limited to screens and batteries anymore. It's money. It's part of, you can think of that as like a fraction of what repair is, but fixing screens and batteries is quickly becoming less and less profitable. But micro soldering is still very profitable. So just something to chew on, just something to think about. If you are thinking about adding repair to your retail service, let me know. Let me see what I can do to help you, and you know, I'll do whatever I can, and let's see if we can change the game, right? At least your game.